Well, what is good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back on the PC50 today. I'm actually having some problems today. The accelerator or the throttle is kind of sticking. You can see here I'm not pressing anything and it's kind of taking me along, which is not the most useful thing. I'm having to brake to stop it. And yeah, wow, I've finally been able to get out again. Oh. Okay, well, we're just conked out and I'm not sure why that's happened. Oh, the fuel's not on, that's why. Hopefully that's it. Yeah, there we go. I'm amazed that the bike was going for that long without a supply of fuel. That was just what was in the tube by the looks of it. Oh, there's a nice alley down here. Should we go down? So yeah, it's been insanely windy the past few weeks and I'm a bit sick of it, to be honest. I haven't really been able to get out on the bike at all because when you ride a 50cc, the wind becomes a real problem. And yeah, to be honest, just not been able to get out. The weather has been all round absolutely shocking. We've been experiencing extreme wind coupled with flash sort of heavy rain. It's just been an absolute nightmare. Yeah, just not motorbike weather. So this is only the second time I've been able to get out this week and enjoy the bike. And yeah, it's just been wild. So I'm very, very sick of the wind, but glad to be out today. This is actually something I've noticed quite a lot on my bike, is that I don't get much road respect. I'm going to have to be a bit more, well, what's the right word for it? Just more confident with my positioning, because usually I'd be sort of positioned like this. I think it's called like P1, P2 and P3, but I need to ride more in the middle of the roads. In my last episode, right here, the other way, someone basically just didn't give me any right of way. And yeah, that's a bit of a problem on this bike. It just doesn't seem to get much respect. So I need to be more confident riding. And here's another example. Well, this time I actually did wait. But yeah, you do have to be confident, and it's going to happen again here, you see. I'm just expected to move out the way because I'm a bike. But it's not the way it should be. I should be treated like a car, in my opinion. So I need to ride more in the middle of the road like this. And yeah, just wanted to say thanks to everyone as well. I had over 1,000 views on my last video, which is crazy. So yeah, let's hope it keeps growing like that. It's been really, really positive seeing the vlogs grow. So I hope you're enjoying them, and thanks for watching this one as well. There's still a couple of things I need to sort out on this bike. You guys pointed them out in the last video. Actually, a commenter said I haven't got a nut here, and that is true. There is supposed to be a nut or a screw. No, what is it? A bolt that goes down here and holds the handlebars in. What I will say is they are definitely wedged in there. They're not coming out. But yeah, it's definitely something that I need to address. I've got a bolt that fits in there. There is a reason why I've had to do this. It's because the bottom of the stem on this had actually rotten away. So I've had to get a shorter bolt to fit in there, which I've got. So it's not the stock one anymore, but it should work. And also, I really need to get some wing mirrors. It's something that I've just kind of forgotten about. So I will be ordering some sort of bike ones from Amazon that go in the end of the handlebars. Even if it's just one on this side, I think that'll just make me a bit more safer on the roads and more road compliant as well. And yeah, let's get to some different roads now, because basically when I'm gassing away talking, I just end up sort of on autopilot, riding around my local roads. Fucking hell. Let's get to somewhere a bit different this time. Yeah, it may not be as fast as a car, but it's definitely faster than a bike, as I just saw up that hill because someone was trying to cycle over it. So that's a plus. And here we are hitting another one-way street in my town. There's loads of them. Bike's sounding extremely raspy today. I don't know what that is all about. It just sounds really, really raspy. I don't know if it's because the air filter's moved or something. Okay, it says no entry except cycles. I'm a half bike, so I'm gonna go through. A car just came through behind me, so I don't feel bad about that at all. I'm not sure where I can go down here this way, but we'll try something. Oh no, this is a dead end. I like doing this on this bike, just exploring places I don't usually drive to or go. Just finding out that they're dead ends or whatever. Can we go down here? Looks like it. Let's try this way. Wow, speed bump. Jesus. Whoa. Disguising myself as a bike again for this one. Pedal a bit on a bike. Oh my god, bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. And I may just cut down here because I think I can actually get through back to my house this way. There's a little shortcut. It is still a little bit windy and it's not all that pleasant actually being out on the bike today. It's quite, the wind's actually pretty damn cold. So I think I can cut down here. Looks like I'm going into some sort of business. And yeah, I can get through, that's really cool. So I'm basically circling back to my house now, a little shortcut through here. And yeah, I think more than ever now I need to do an oil change on the bike, because that could also be the reason why this throttle's sticking as well. And yeah, I actually have quite low oil at the moment too, so I was saying about doing an oil change, and apparently you've got to be quite careful with oils on this bike because they can make the clutch slip because they're basically too good. So straight 30 oil apparently is the best oil for these old bikes. I'm kind of having the opposite problem at the moment in that the clutch is sticking, but yeah, maybe an oil change will sort it out. There's another little alley down here, so let's head down here and then I'll probably call it for this video. A few cool sights that we don't usually see on these vlogs, mainly the alleyways, which is quite fun. And yeah, thanks for watching again, guys. Thank you for your support with the previous videos. I'm amazed at how many views they're getting, and I will be back with another video very, very soon, hopefully. See you on the next one.